Next 30 days, we are going to be making the most amount of money we can on YouTube. The YouTube money, that YouTube money. And guess what? Right now, I have no camera because my camera's cord is lost. So I have no high def camera. I have to record everything on my desktop camera, which is why it looks a little bit gray. But please hang in there with me because in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we are going to rank and how we are going to make money by getting a ton of views on our YouTube videos. As we all know, the more views you have, the more money you will make on YouTube. I have only my microphone and my kids are out for summer. My microphone holder is broken and I'm still going to record these YouTube videos. I have all the odds against me right now. Everything coming up against me. And I need to hide my Secret Service earphones so that I can make sure that this video quality is high. There's people out here making a killing on YouTube. Okay. I need this money. You need this money. So we're going to get this money together during the next 30 days. I am going to be recording as many videos as I can. I'm dedicating myself to at least 3 videos a week on my YouTube channel that are keyword rich, highly optimized. And I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm going to do it. So go ahead, buckle up your seatbelts, go ahead and leave me a comment down below that says, let's go. Because we about to get this YouTube money. Okay. YouTube money. YouTube money. I don't know why and no one has come up with a YouTube money song yet, but maybe I'll be the first one. Let's go and hop into some of the tools that I'll be using and the tools you need to download in order to create keyword rich content on YouTube so that your videos get ranked. You are just one video away from making a ton of money with your YouTube channel. Okay. If you are monetized in any sort of way, or even if you're looking to get monetized on YouTube, you need to take this 30-day challenge with me. So go ahead, click the link down below to join this 30-day challenge. If you're watching this, I'm going to keep these videos up. They'll be evergreen, but you can join it anytime. At any time, you can go ahead and just fill out the form down below. Send us your information. Let us know that you joined the challenge. The tools that I'll be using in order to do this, I will be using Keywords Everywhere. I'll be using TubeBuddy. And I'll also be utilizing vidIQ. Now, I wish that vidIQ and TubeBuddy would just go ahead and have a baby already because both of those tools are amazing separately. And when used together, they are powerful. Let me tell you, okay, like mind-blowing powerful. But they ain't did that yet. So that's okay. That's all right. We're going to let them go ahead and roll, but we need these tools. Now, I know a lot of folks tell you guys, go ahead and use the free version because the free version is just fine. I'll tell you different. I'm going to tell you, go ahead and get the paid version of these tools. If you click down below in the description, you'll see that I have a link that goes to some free goodies that you get when you sign up with my actual links for these tools, but make sure that you pay for them. Keywords Everywhere is only $1 a month. It's $12 for the year. It used to be free. Can you imagine? They was giving us all this free stuff, all this good stuff for free, but now they want $1. That's okay. I'm gonna give them $1 because they deserve it. Okay. So you pay $1 a month for their Bronze Pro platform, and that does really well. You can afford $1 a month. Now, if you want to take it up and kick it up a level, you'll pay $4 a month, which is still only $50 a year. Well worth it. Okay. So that's Keywords Everywhere. I'm going to show you exactly why you need Keywords Everywhere in just a moment. So hang on tight. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Second tool that we'll need is vidIQ. Now with vidIQ, you can just go with their basic plan. vidIQ is going to help us with a couple of different things. vidIQ is going to help us with the ranking of our videos, as well as if we have a great title. It's also going to give us a little bit of a, what is it? Like a video assistant. Like they have a robotic assistant that will go through, look at our videos and tell us which videos are ranking really, really well. We need that in our lives. So you want to go ahead and pay for vidIQ. The third tool that we'll be using is TubeBuddy. I love me some TubeBuddy. Okay. TubeBuddy is bay around these parts right here. All right. Because TubeBuddy is going to tell us where our video is ranking and where the keyword score is. Keyword scores are really important because your keyword score is going to tell you if you have a really great search volume and then also where your competition lies in that search volume. So you want to make sure that you're finding things that are high in search volume and then low in competition. I find that if I can find something that's anywhere in those 2 green areas or even in the yellow, sometimes I'll take the yellow, then I'm going to create a video specifically in that niche. So if you're ready, let's go and hop into today's video. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and head on over to YouTube, and we want to type in our keyword. The keyword that we are going to use for my channel is monetize. I know that I want to create content for you all to help you monetize either your content or yourself, right? Or your business. So I'm going to use this keyword, and then I'm going to look and see what pops up for me. Let's go ahead. That was a video I was watching before. Let's go down here now. TubeBuddy is amazing because it'll give you a keyword score. So on this keyword score, I'm finding that monetize is really high on this keyword score. As you can see, it's right here. It's 60% of 100, which is good. Anything in these greens, and sometimes I take the yellow as well, but anything in green and sometimes the yellow, I am doing a video on. So what I will do here is I'll go how to monetize YouTube Shorts, how to monetize YouTube. These are all keywords for me. So this particular video, you may notice, is called How to Monetize YouTube, but we're also talking about how to utilize the keyword search here in these different these different platforms within this 30-day challenge that I'm doing on my YouTube channel. So this one here says make $2,000 per day posting rain videos on YouTube. This one has 1.8 million views. This is definitely a topic I'm going to talk about. So I'm going to take this particular topic here and I'm going to write it down because I'm a writer. I just, it just is what it is. I'm gonna write it down. So I'm gonna write this down in my notepad. Hold on, let me have an earpiece like I'm Secret Service. This good old handy dandy notepad works for me, and I always know where it is. The next one here, we're gonna go up here, and this is a YouTube just / monetization requirements. I definitely want to talk about that, so I'm gonna do that one next. Just gonna copy it. I'm going to go ahead and put on a notes pad for me. That way I can find it on my phone. There is, go to this one, go to copy, and you can actually copy it to a tag here. I'm just going to copy these. Go and you do your research. You go and find out what other folks are using, and then you modify it, right? I'm not saying I'm going to take exact tags and use them. I'm going to use some of them, but others I'm going to take and modify them towards my particular audience, because just because I'm looking at his tags doesn't necessarily mean that he has the exact same audience that I have. I'm a 120% guarantee you he doesn't have the exact same audience I have. He has a similar audience, and folks that may be looking for his content may be looking for mine, but I'm going towards a target demographic, primarily women who look like me or women who have experienced things that I've experienced or are looking for the soft life, right? So some of these tags will be relevant and some of them I'm not going to use, right? And he only has a couple, so he doesn't have very many on his at all. So we're going to go ahead and go here. All right, next we're going to look for our third video that we'll be recording. And we're going to scroll down. I like Think Media. Think Media is bomb. Batty in Business. She's definitely someone that I've been looking at. YouTube Automation 2023. I want to talk about YouTube automation. So I'm going to go ahead and take this particular title because YouTube automation has, it's something that myself and my brother, actually, we've been researching. So we're going to go ahead and take this one. We're going to go with the YouTube automation. Now, these are all under monetize. So right now, folks are really interested in how to monetize YouTube, as I am, right? Hence this video. Why I'm recording this video, because I'm interested in learning how to monetize my YouTube channel, and I want to make money with YouTube. So knowing that, I know that these folks are coming to me wanting to learn how to make money with YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and create a product around this, right? So product that I'm going to sell. The keyword is monetize YouTube. The product is going to be around monetizing YouTube that I'll have, right? So I'm going to put together two different products. I'll have something around either an ebook or a mini course or some type of live event series that I'll do around monetizing YouTube. I can also place them into the Soft Life Profits, but I know that everyone is not going to fit into that category. So with Soft Life Profits, you'll actually have to apply to join. And then once you apply to join, you'll be either accepted and approved or denied, because I want particular types of women in that group. So I'm not going to allow everyone to or anyone to join, right? It's only going to be particular women that will be able to join that fit the criteria that I'm looking for. So with our monetized YouTube, I'll probably put together some type of guide or some type of ebook or some type of living document that I'll have that they'll have access to, and that's what they'll be getting. And I'm leaning towards a living document, like a resource list or something that continuously is updated. That they'll have access to. That way I don't have to create a whole ebook up front. I can just create the living document, start it off, and then add to it as I go along without having a lot of pressure on me to 15, 10 page, 5 page, whatever page ebook to put together. But in this particular section here with my keyword research, I'm going to do all the keyword research for the next 30 days right now. All right. I find that it's easier for me to do it for 30 days out and just have one day where I sit down and plan out the month versus if I sit down and record all the content at once. I can record 1 week, but if I record too many weeks, then I find that I just have the content sitting there. I'll get busy with other things and then I won't edit it. So I'm going to record week 1, I'll have this outfit on. And then in week 2, when we get into week 2, I'll have a separate outfit, but I'll record all of those videos in that particular outfits. What I do is I actually designate a particular day to record the videos on. So if you want more information about that, I'm going to record a full video on recording days and content days. You can go ahead and click it. It should populate up here for you. And if you don't see it up here, then check down in the description. I'll put the link to that full video of how I record my content days and why I actually have content days and why you should too. So I'm going to finish up doing my keyword research here, utilizing, as you can see, we have keywords everywhere. We have TubeBuddy that I'm using. As we log into vidIQ, I'm going to go ahead and type in my idea here, which is best free online courses. All right, we're going to look here and it's medium. So they're they are in agreement, right? So keywords, vidIQ and TubeBuddy is in an agreement that there's a medium amount of search, but there's a lot of competition, which I'm okay with. So there you have it. That is how you look up the keywords so that you can make sure that you're recording the right videos to get ranked and make money on YouTube. Now, the average YouTuber makes about 18 cents per view. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, that equates to about $18 per every $1,000 ad view. You get paid from ad revenue as long as you can get folks to at least watch some of the ads that are on your channel, then you can start to generate income from YouTube. I have a couple of different folks that I manage their YouTube channels, and they have upwards of 800,000 subscribers. And because they aren't creating any video content, they aren't getting paid. So if you don't create video content, you don't get paid on the platform. But however, if you do create video content and it is constantly being viewed, hence in utilizing these tools in order to create content that is keyword rich and search engine optimized, then you are going to get payments over and over and over again from your video content. And that's exactly what we want. So when you think about monetizing YouTube, you want to think views. Views equals monetization. That is what we want to have in the top of our minds, in our heads. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know down in the comment section by typing helpful. See you all in the next video. Peace.